Apresentamos a você, ao longo de 4 sessões educacionais consecutivas, 100 das frases mais importantes usadas diariamente.
Please sit here. Please sit here. Please sit here. Could you write it? Could you write it? Could you write it? Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. Can you explain again? Can you explain again? Can you explain again? Avoid distractions. Avoid distractions. Avoid distractions. Tell me the story. Tell me the story. Tell me the story. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. Never stop trying. Never stop trying. Never stop trying. Would you help me? Would you help me? Would you help me? Open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Could you translate? Could you translate? Could you translate? Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout. Let's finish today. Let's finish today. Let's finish today. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ask politely. Ask politely. Ask politely. Please be patient. Please be patient. Please be patient. Never forget this. Never forget this. Never forget this. Would you teach me? Would you teach me? Would you teach me? Turn off your phone. Turn off your phone. Turn off your phone. Could you slow down? Could you slow down? Could you slow down? Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. Let's practice daily. Let's practice daily. Let's practice daily. Can you recommend? Can you recommend? Can you recommend? Please listen. Please listen. Please listen.